Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Civic retro tail lights. These are made for a hatchback, 96 to 2000. Back in the day, these were really popular, I want to say in the early 2000s, but now they are making a comeback. You're seeing them on CRVs, and we recently got these DEPO ones for the hatchback. We highly recommend them because it's a sick look. You have a white Civic, red Civic, black Civic, you put these on, you're going to change your look, and people are going to be like, damn, where did he get those? I haven't seen those in quite some time. And the dope thing that DEPO does, they also include the color bulbs, so you don't even have to worry about the bulbs. We got the red ones, the reverse one, the signal ones, all of them are included. If you like these taillights and you don't want nothing like these ugly red ones up here, I highly recommend these and get them, alright? Click below, go to the link and purchase them. Thank you very much.